Wow! Please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Wow!
Cute! We need pink and white paper, tape, pencil and pointer, big marker colors, scissors, double-sided tape, magnet. So let's start. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.